Here's the green then.
You might want to zoom in a bit further if you can. Zoom out and zoom back in. See that I can go to this side.
Here, let's go over here. I'm sorry for the screen, guy, because I just took out these people's bins and they only have like 10 stuff in there. So hopefully he still gets it. Hopefully he doesn't get mad. Here he comes to do this one. Oh, we'll get a really good clip. We'll have a real good clip right here. Here he is. Hello there. This one. Right up there. Here he is. Okay, that house is gone. He's gonna do this one. We just have a little bit. She only has a little bit. Oh no! I feel bad for him. I feel bad for him. He only took like 10 stuff. Okay, let's go back here. So this is part 7. Let's go with the packs. Okay. Part 7. Here he is.